Hello dear friend, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So in this video we'll be looking at how you can be able to check if your PC or your laptop meet the minimum requirement for installing Windows 11. And without wasting much time, let us get started. So what you need to do is just go to your PC, that is maybe your laptop or your computer, then open Google or use your favorite browser, open Google and type Windows 11 system requirements, and when you type system requirement, you should be able to select a website that takes you to Microsoft with this website. So just check it in the description down below. I'll be able to leave the link there. So after you click that, open it and click Windows 11. When you click Windows 11, you will be able to see this screen whereby it talks about Windows 11. So you can read all about Windows 11, the most and the frequent questions that have been asked recently, and also the minimum requirement for installing Windows 11. So for us, what you need is that you need at least 1 gigahertz or with 2 or more cores. Also you need 4 GB of RAM, you need graphic card, you need a display and all this stuff. So if you are not able to check these manually, then you can be able to run an application whereby it says here download an app, check for compatibility. When you click download the app, then you'll be able to see it start to download just in a second. So for me, I downloaded, so there is no need to download. Once it completes the download, what you need to do is just open your downloads, where your downloads go, and click programs. Then you have the application at the top here which says Windows PC Health Checker Startup. So just run the file, then accept the terms and conditions, then click install. So after the installation is complete, you'll be able to see such a window with the 2 check buttons here. Just click finish, and then you'll be able to launch Windows 11 check app. When the application starts, this is how it will look like, whereby it says introducing Windows 11, and let's check if your PC meet the system requirement. If it does, you can get free upgrade when it is available. So meaning that currently Windows 11 is not available. Then click the check now. When you click check now, you realize that you get this prompt. For me, my PC does not meet the minimum requirement for installing Windows 11. So you'll get such an message. So how you can be able, now you can be able either to buy a new PC or something of that kind. But hopefully this video helped you. Thank you so much.